Good afternoon, Pop Pops Bees, Funny Bug Bees, and Woodworks. This is swarm number 64 that we caught in Bridgeton off the front porch. He just sent me a picture. He's got another swarm just as big on the porch. So we're getting ready to do the install. There was a question asked about the time of the year in our area that this swarm appeared. Well, of course, your feral hives are going to vary as far as when they swarm, especially in my area because of the swamps and everything else. There's 4 frames of bees in that hive. That's gorgeous. I don't know if y'all can see that from there, but that's 4 frames of bees in that hive. That's a pretty swarm. So I knew it was. That's why I brought out 10 frame equipment. So in my area, there's a lot of farmland, a lot of swamps, so we really don't experience that big of a dearth, period. A lot of people do, we don't. So it's a possibility this is an abscond from one of the feral hives that we've been catching swarms off of. So with that being said, one of the #1 reasons that they would abscond, dear Jesus, look at that, done draw that fully up and filled her full of nectar. That's gorgeous. A dirt dauber had actually built we're gonna have to pop that out of there. Had actually built in that high, on that frame. They just built about it and they probably excommunicated him. So another reason why a hive could swarm late in the year could be because of mite load. So we're gonna really try to spot this queen so we can do and I'm gonna go ahead and checkerboard these, because that thing there is gone. We caught these the first of the week. I want to say it was Tuesday or Wednesday. And I'm just now getting around to installing them. I'm putting wax down on that. That's not a heavy wax frame. I see some ugly wax I need to tear down. There's some more ugly wax I need to tear down. Extra wax on your plastic will help with that, help prevent it. If they do it, just tear it down. It ain't no biggie. They're not gonna be happy with you, but they'll do it again. They'll do it better the next time. Looking for the queen so we can do a mite check. With this being a feral hive and not knowing what there is, boy, that frame is full of honey. That would be honey they brought with them when they swarmed or absconded, whichever the case may be. They decided that needed a little extra piece of cream on it. So we got to find this queen so I can do a mite check, is what I'm looking. As soon as I find her, I'm gonna cage her. We're gonna check these jokers, see what their mite load is. Not gonna checkerboard that one. This one here appears to be drawn out too. There's the queen right there. Kick her. We get her marked. She's on that piece of nasty looking comb. She is laying gorgeous. She knows I'm hunting her. She propped up nice and pretty for me. So I got the queen now. We can check these girls some more, see how bad the load is. We'll put the queen down there with them, and I'm gonna shake this frame that she was on. I want you to look at all the comb they've drawn now. That's gorgeous. tear that down so they can fix it. Our half cup of bees. Put everybody else back in the hive. A lot of nectar fell out of that frame. I'm gonna checkerboard. Let's go ahead and dispatch all those bees so they ain't sitting here. Be as humane as we can. And this last frame is drawn as well, and this box is still full of bees. That's completely drawn out. That's completely drawn out. That's in less than a week. So they drew 5 frames in a week, or 4.5 frames, because they almost got that other one drawn. Box is still full of bees. And bump them. Now that we got a good fish, mark this queen. Get turned right home. She's doing a great job. I've seen bigger queens, but all right, got her marked. We'll set her there. Let's see what a mite load looks like. This will probably help tell us if this was an abscond or a swarm too. I mean, if it's a ridiculously high mite load, of course it's probably an abscond. They couldn't get them under control, so they left. Although I will have to say, I got one mite right now. I can live with one mite. One mite makes me happy. One mite tickles me to death. We do very aggressive splits here during the summer. That's how we do our mite treatments. Then in the fall we use oxalic acid, and it's worked really well for us. Well, out of 300 bees, I got a 2 mite count. So guess what? I'm tickled to death with that. I'm gonna turn Her Majesty loose. There she goes. Back in the hive. There she is right there. Pop-Off's bees, funny bug bees, and woodwork. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna shake that thing for a little bit longer. I like shaking it till I get bee parts. Then I know I shook it enough. And see what I can get. But as of right now, we got 2 mites per 300 bees. I'll take that any day. Nice swarm. I'm hoping that the one that's on the porch right now is just as healthy as this one is. I'll be tickled to death. Pop-Off's bees, funny bug bees, and woodworks. Please like and subscribe.